Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and we're going to do an interesting little demonstration and test. And as you can see, I've got the Kirby with its hose hooked up, and I'm going to just connect the two hoses together, and we're just going to see what happens. Um, this is going to be an interesting comparison because this is actually not an airflow test. This is a comparison of suction. Um, and the suction is what gives a vacuum the ability to pick up things that have weight to it, like a little pebble or well, a coin or something like that. And if you own a Kirby and you've used a Kirby at all, you'll know what I'm talking about when you run over a little pebble or something like that. Often you'll find that it just doesn't pick it up. Now it doesn't mean that it doesn't have good power but they're relying more on the volume of air, and they're not great for the suction, which gives you the ability to pick up the weight. So this will give a good demonstration. This is a sealed vacuum system here, of course, the Hoover Hushtone, and the Kirby is a direct air vacuum, which means the fan is right at the front of the motor, and it draws the air in and blows it into the bag rather than sucking it through a sealed can and through the vacuum motor after the fact. So there's a different way of doing things, but I thought you might be interested to see how this turns out. So we'll turn on the Kirby. Now we'll turn on the Hushtone. I'm going to put it on the low speed first. So what's interesting about that is I literally could suck the dirt out of the Kirby bag when it's running with a vacuum with a sealed system. And of course this vacuum has about 95 inches of water lift, and I think the Pro Team has around 90 or 95 inches of water lift, so it has the same water lift. And so most sealed vacuums will have considerably more water lift than a direct air vacuum such as the Kirby or even the Sanitaire. So that just goes to show you a real good visual illustration as to how the water lift can overcome the water lift of the Kirby, which is, I think they're around 40 inches of water lift, and the Hushtone is around 95 inches of water lift. So there you go. There's something interesting to see there. Thank you.